The holidays are a time when we get to enjoy the closeness of friends, the comfort of home, and the unity of family. It is also a time when we reflect on special moments. Though 2020 was a difficult year, we are hoping for the best in the year ahead. Let's ring in the new year with the people who make it so special. Here are your family and friends sending you season's greetings.
This is a season of love, joy, and happiness, and I would like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a pleasant, a joyful, and a wonderful holidays. Do enjoy, and I hope the new year will bring in greater blessings for each and everyone. Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry 2020 Christmas. It's a snow Christmas in the USA, and I'm sending greetings to my niece, my nephew, my grandniece and nephews, also my sister Bev, sister Verna, sister Maisie. May you have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Greetings are coming from your brother Tony. Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. From the USA to Jamaica. Have a good day.
Hi everybody. Don't know how they we have sent some Christmas greetings. I mean, I can't call everybody name. No, like if I call people name, I does this long video when I go get. So first and foremost, I want to say Merry Christmas to all of my supporters them, my subscribers them, my family, especially my mother. I send greetings to my mother. You understand?
So I want to send greetings first to my grandmom. Yeah, and then I want to send greetings to my family in the UK and my friends in the Bahamas. Also, yeah, I want to send greetings and Merry Christmas to all the supporters and fans. Special quad. What?
I know she doesn't Merry Christmas and say she want to send Christmas greetings to me. Anyway, Jamaican things. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to Maya, to B. Julie, to Mr. Facey, to Les, to a lot. We can't even call out everybody's name. So we just want to say
Shelly to y'all.
From Travis Official Vlogs, you don't know where I say Merry Christmas to everybody and a Happy New Year when it come. And make sure say on the New Year prosperous. You understand? I remember for you now. So you know the mass. Okay.
And I want to also say Merry Christmas to my mom. Actually, first we should have said
yeah.
Anyways, and my brothers. Yeah.
So Merry Christmas everybody. Stay safe. We're gonna have a good 2021 when it comes. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay safe people.
So I want to send Christmas greetings to my daddy, the first man that ever say I love you, baby girl. My daddy, Dukey, big up yourself. I know you miss me. I miss you too. Yeah, thank God for WhatsApp weekend video call. Also want to send Christmas greeting to my mommy Bev. Oh, I miss you, my darling. I love you. My brothers, big up on yourself. All my friends back in Jamaica, big up on yourself. I miss you. Well, I know all of my church people them. I miss you. Hey, I just miss everybody, yeah? So guys, big up on yourself. Stay blessed. Merry Christmas. Bye everybody. Bye.
Edge. Happy holiday to all of my friends, my family. Wishing all the best to the New Year's. Hoping to live to see many more years, right? Alright, up, edges.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. What's up, lovely people? My name is Kenisha Mexam, and I am a Jamaican YouTuber. My channel name is Kenny's Vlog. Jamaican things, big up to yourself. I just want to say thank you to Jamaican Things for giving me the opportunity to wish my family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Alright, so to my families in Jamaica, Japan, China, England, in heaven, and those who are in hell, I just want to send greetings across the world to you guys. I pray that you enjoy your Christmas and that you will have a productive, a prosperous, and a blessed New Year.
Hello everybody, hello world, hello YouTube, hello Jamaica. You know, I want to send Christmas greetings to my auntie, my uncle, and my cousins across the world. I want to big up the one living in America. I want to big up the one living in Canada. I want to big up the one living in China. I don't have anybody living in China, but I want to big up the ones living in Bahamas. I want to big up the one living in Cayman Islands. I want to big up everyone living across the world. You know, it's your favorite YouTuber, Young Boy Mackie. I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
I want to say Happy New Year to you, my family. Haha, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Haha.
Hi guys, it's your girl Moya here, and I want to send greetings to a few persons. So first of all, I want to send greetings to my sister Kim. I want to send greetings to Shay in America, and also to Chev and Moisha in the British Virgin Islands. Merry Christmas to you all when it comes, and a prosperous New Year. Bye!
Hi guys, this is Kim from Kim's Beauty Channel, and I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you nothing but success. I wish you nothing but the best for this year. So guys, stay safe and be blessed. Big up yourself, Jamaican. Thank you.